Oh my god. Cheese chimichurri. Oh wow. Camera. That way. Feds out in large today. So, I'm still here in Borough Market, and something, walking down the street, something has really caught my foodie eye. Come here. The PORTENA, Argentinian street food. And they've got one absolute whopper of a dish on the menu that I had to get. Steak sandwich. Argentinian flatbread steak sandwich with chimichurri. Yes, yes, yes. Also, they had drinks, because we've been so parched all afternoon here. We've gone and got ourselves a little drink. This is not allowed, by the way. Bird and blend, iced tea. Nuts. Right, now I'm quenched. I'm gonna dive in. Show you, Jesus.
Look at the size of it.
Get me. Oh my God, cheese, tomato. So they use, he cooked this in front of me, by the way, medium rare, heart of rump, thin pieces, obviously for sandwich. Obviously it's a steak sandwich, or otherwise known as a sandwich. There we go, I've got another law enforcement officer.
Stop.
Go, turn the camera, put it on, he's got one of those like Russian hats. But go on, get him on there. Look at that hat though, it's like a Russian, this comes from the Russian division. Come and have a closer look. Let's break it open. Come nice and close. Oh my God. Cheese chimichurri. Oh wow. Flatbread, holding it all together. Here we go. I love a steak sandwich. The cheese is melted over it. It's like a cheese cap of goodness. The steak. Got that bite to it. It's rump.
It smells so good.
It smells incredible. It's a chimichurri. Those of you done what chimichurri is? I don't know the exact ingredients. Garlic, oil, balsamic, herbs and spices, I think. Anyway, it's delicious. Wow. Absolutely incredible. So, also, you get me two massive pieces. I know it's a thin cut of steak, but for £8, this was not too bad. Big pieces of steak. They're about this sort of size each. You fold them together. It's thin. I've got a double whammy. Here's the steak there. Argentinian grilled steak in a sandwich. This is street food at its very best. Flatbread, look. Really nice char on it. Wonderful flavours. London, what are you doing to me? Borough Market so far, as markets go, its quality of this food so far has been really high. I feel like there's a, please get in the comments, a little bit like Brick Lane, this legendary thing about it. Like, we went to Camden Lock and the food was really shit. Low level, monkey, rubbish, pony, just guff. All of my favourite bad adjectives there. This standards seem to be a lot higher. I'm impressed. Argentinian steak sandwich. Get in the comments, what would you give this as a score? This is, if you had this on your doorstep for a bit of lunch, what would you give it? Boom. Get in the comments. Know this. It's a quick one. Sometimes we eat steak and it's butter soft, tender. Ooh, this isn't. It's gnarly. It's got a bit of chew to it. Exactly what you want. Every now and again, a sandwich like this. The char marks in there, in the grill. Score time. Before we do that, I got a dessert.
Yeah.
I saw it. Oh, what's this called? What's that called? A cannolio?
Cannelloni.
Cannelloni. A colonio. Right, this, ladies and gentlemen, this is, I'm sure this is, I'm going to get it really wrong. I thought these were Italian. Is that right?
Yeah, I think they are Italian.
Is it? Or is it Argentinian? It's an Italian, it's an Argentinian shop selling Italian pastry. Anyway, come and have a look at it. I thought they looked really, really nice. They had them stacked up like little shells. £2.40. I thought that was pretty punchy. What do you think? Yeah, nicely cooked, not nicely cooked, not really sure. Here we go.
It's going to go everywhere, isn't it?
No, incredible. Wow.
What's it got on the inside?
It's not chocolate.
Like, not Nutella?
No, it's a caramel chocolate.
Ooh.
It actually just tastes like thick, rich caramel.
Oh.
Beautiful. I think I needed something sweet. Wow. Here's a gentleman that made the steak sandwich.
Was it good?
Yeah. It was very nice. What an amazing sandwich to have for lunch. If you work around here, I'll be here every day.
Please do.
Where's your face mask?
Yeah.
Where's your face mask? I can't see it.
Yeah?
It's camouflage.
Okay, yeah.
It's camouflage.
This is my face mask.
Don't think you go. It's camouflage. Can't see it. Is it a joke? I found it really funny.
I forgot which one I was
Yeah.
wearing.
It's camouflage. No one can see it. You get in trouble for not wearing one.
Flowers, and I said, no, this is the camouflage.
Yeah, all right, good. Unless you were standing in the flower bed, then you'd also. Then it
They're
would
already
also.
coming for me.
Yeah, look, more feds. There's a lot of feds around here, isn't there?
Yeah.
Stop saying fence. God.
Here we go. Look. Just put pan round. Go on, get them on. Give them the airtime. Here we go. Look. It's the bill. Remember that show, The Bill. Right, cool. Let's wrap this up. We've lost track.
Give it a score.
Argentinian street food. First of all, bird and blend. It's stacked with ice. Incredibly fresh, clean, and refreshing. Spreading happiness. What does that word there say, Jess?
Reimagining.
Reimagining. Never seen that word before. Yeah, that's my dyslexia that's coming out. Reimagining. Reimagining tea. Cool. Steak sandwich. I want to give that, my little friend down here, I want to give that an 8.8 out of 10. Very, very nice. Loved it. And my little man over here, I'm not going to give him a score. It's very expensive though. What are you laughing at? Right, I'm in Borough Market. I feel like a bit food drunk. Those of you who don't know, we do about 3 or 4 / 5 or 6, maybe 10 reviews in a row. I'm at the peak of my capability right now. We're going to have an hour or 10 minutes off.
Go have lunch.
Gonna have lunch. Then crack on this afternoon. Cheers everyone, get in the comments, give me some abuse, say hello, recommend your friends, your mums, favourite restaurants, whatever you want to do. Get in the comments, give me a comment, or if you really love the page, give it a share. Thanks for watching, and that was a review.